Alright guys, this is the fidget spinner. Comment down below if you want one. Let's say I'm 15,000 one of them. And if you want one, just comment. Like as I said, these fidget spinners are very popular. And if you want one, you could buy one from Smiley's over in Danville or like Walmart. And well, actually, I was just playing. I don't have 1,000 fidget spinners. We're not even selling them, but that was just a joke. And my brother's over there cooking, and he's always super hungry, and he's strong. He's super strong. We just got back from a party, and I put on my pajamas. But you want to see the things of a fidget spinner? Let me show you. See this? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Dab on it. Yeah, yeah, Bill.